Most people believe you need a high salary, rich parents, or perfect timing to build real money. That belief is exactly why they stay broke. In 2026, the game has changed. The people winning with money are not working harder, they are following a system. And in this video, I am going to break down the exact money system that can take you from $0 to $10,000. Starting from scratch, using strategies that actually work today. Let's be clear about one thing first. $10,000 is not wealth. It's the number where desperation disappears. It's the point where opportunities start showing up. But they leak money faster than they earn it. And no emotional spending. You don't need extreme frugality. You need awareness. Track every dollar for 30 days. Just 1 month. Writing, editing, basic design, voiceovers, virtual assistants, and short-form content creation are all in demand. You don't need to be the best. You need to be consistent and available. Your goal here is simple. Generate your first $1,000 as fast as possible. Why 1,000? Because it proves momentum. The brain believes what it sees. Once you make that first 1,000, your confidence changes, and confidence compounds faster than money. Step 3 is the 503-020 automation rule. 50% of income covers essentials. 30% goes into a protected savings bucket, and 20% is reserved for growth, not spending. Growth. If you wait to save what's left, you'll save nothing. Now comes the part most people skip, skill stacking. The fastest way to go from $1,000 to $10,000 is not investing. It's increasing your value per hour. Then raise your rates aggressively once results appear. The internet rewards speed and execution, not perfection. No hype. Step 4 is leverage, not hustle. Remember this, you don't need luck. You need a system. And the best time to start was yesterday.